Today, we have our Ramadan market happening inside Tawheed Community Center, where we are engaging the community. We are bringing the youth so they can come into a space that is comfortable. They can practice their faith comfortably. They can shop for their Ramadan needs. And I'm really happy that all these families are here today and they're able to learn about the community center. And at the same time, they can support the small businesses within our community and get us to our goal much more quickly.
We just enjoy Tawheed Community Center's mission. You know, they want to be the YMCA for the Muslim community, and they continue to put out really fun events until the center is fully built. We really relate with that mission, and we think it's important what they're trying to do for the community, so we want to keep on continue support them as much as we can.
But I believe that it is the responsibility of our generation now to take these facilities to the next level. A lot of times we find that a lot of the masajid or the community centers that we already have, they don't match up with the facilities that are outside maybe public community centers and so on. So I want to make sure when I have kids and when they grow up, they can come to places where they can practice their faith comfortably and also have the facilities so that they don't feel left out.